下一个问题。
Next one.
谢谢发言人。迪拜中央卫视记者提问。
China Arab TV. Israel attacked 6 countries, including Qatar, Lebanon, and Yemen. What's your comment?
中方对当前中
China deeply concerns about the escalating Middle East situation. We firmly oppose any attempts that violates the security in the Middle East region. We oppose any attempts to harm the civilians and to escalate the situation. Violence will not bring security. Force will not bring peace. We urge relevant sides, especially Israel, to work hard for the recovery of the regional peace, engage in negotiation.